The Aussie UnderCover concrete installation kit all starts with a pit formed from concrete, besser blocks, or something similar. The best concrete installation starts with a good quality concrete pit. Prepare the walls and corners if they need some attention. The walls should be vertical and flush with the finished surface. Lay out the lid frame, measure, trim if necessary, and join. Attach the lid support bars to the assembled lid frame. Lift the lid frame into the prepared pit. Drill and screw the base of the hinge plates and pre-drill the lid blocks. Finish off each hinge plate. Complete the lid blocks. Install the flush pull handle onto the frame. Install the 525mm outside strut first. With the lid open to the full extent of the outside strut, install the first 455mm inside strut. You may have between 1 and 3 inside struts depending on the kit size and weight. Install the end mount and gearbox. The roller tube will expand and fit between the end mount and the gearbox end slug. Secure at the required length. The final step is to complete the lid frame with the chosen material. The hinges will have been set appropriately and the required baseboard specified if using tiles. If you have a manual winding kit, install the handle mounting brackets. Install the pull cover and prepare it to roll away. Your Aussie UnderCover is now ready for use.